Steps of drawing a concave mirror. Step number 1. Draw a spherical surface and determine its center by using a compass. I suggest that you open your compass with radius equal 6 cm. And by drawing an arc representing the concave mirror and putting dashes that cover its outer surface, which represent the layer of silver. The second step is to draw the principal axis and determine on it the position of focus, which is equal to half the radius. So by using your ruler, putting the focus after 3 cm from center of mirror curvature or from the pole of the mirror. So the distance between C and F is 3 cm and between F and P is 3 cm. Step number 3. Draw a vertical arrow on the principal axis to represent an object. Step number 4. Draw a ray from the highest point of the object where it falls parallel to the principal axis and thus reflects passing through the focus. Step number 5. Draw another ray passing through the focus of the mirror, then reflects parallel to the principal axis. From the same point, we will draw a straight line passing through the focus. It will reflect parallel to the principal axis. Step number 6. Determine the position where the two reflected light rays meet, which is the image of the highest point of the object. This is the first reflected light ray and this is the second reflected light ray. They are intersected at this point. This point is the image of the highest point of the object. Step number 7. Determine the position and properties of the image formed. As you can see, after drawing all steps, this point represents the position of the image. By drawing the image, now you can determine its position, and as you can see, the image is formed between C and F. What is the properties of the formed image? The image is real. This means that you can receive it on a screen. The image is inverted. The image is smaller than the object. Now we can draw the images formed by concave mirror. Formation of the images by the concave mirror. Case number 1. In the exam you will be given the position of the object. Object is very far. First of all, we will bring our compass and by using it we will draw an arc of radius equal 6 cm. By using the ruler, we can put the focus after 3 cm from the center of mirror curvature. The object is too far, so we have incident parallel rays parallel to the principal axis. It will reflect passing through the focus. So as you can see, the two reflected light rays are intersected in focus. Position of image is at the focus. Properties of the image is real, very tiny, or dot. This is the image of sun. Case 2. If the object is at a distance greater than the radius of curvature after the center of curvature. This is the radius of curvature from P to C. The object is at a distance more than the radius, so you can put it in any place after C. I suggest that you draw this object of length 2 cm or if you using your copybook, the length of this object will be 2 lines in your copybook. We will draw a parallel incident light ray. It will reflect passing through the focus. We will draw another ray passing through the focus. It will reflect parallel to the principal axis. The point of intersection is the position of the image. Position of the image, as you can see, between C and F. Properties of the formed image is real, inverted, and smaller than the object. Case 3. Object is at the center of curvature, or at a distance equals to the radius of curvature, at C. We will draw 2 incident light rays from the highest point. The first one is parallel to the principal axis. It will reflect passing through the focus. The second one will pass through the focus and it will reflect parallel to the principal axis. As you can see, the image is formed at the center of mirror curvature. Properties of the image are real, inverted, and equal to the object. Case 4. The object is between the focus and the center of mirror curvature, or at a distance more than the focal length but less than the radius of mirror. So the object is between C and F. We will draw 2 incident light rays from the highest point. The first one is parallel to the principal axis. It will reflect passing through the focus. The second one will pass through the focus. It will reflect parallel to the principal axis. The point of intersection of the 2 reflected light rays will be the position of the highest point of the object. So the image is formed at a distance more than the radius of curvature, or after C. Properties of the image is real, inverted, and enlarged, or you can say magnified. Case number 5. Object is at focus, at F, or at a distance which is equal to the focal length. We will draw parallel incident light ray. It will reflect passing through the focus. The second one will pass through the center of mirror curvature, so it will reflect on itself. As you can see, the 2 reflected light rays will not never intersect because they are parallel to each other. So no image is formed. Case number 6. If the object is located between the focus and the pole of the mirror, or at a distance which is less than the focal length. By drawing the incident light ray parallel to the principal axis, it will reflect passing through the focus, and the second ray will pass through the center of mirror curvature, so it will reflect on itself. By drawing the extension of the 2 reflected light rays, extensions will be intersected at a point. This is the position of the image. So in this case, the image is formed behind the mirror. And as you can see, the image is virtual. That means that you can't receive it on a screen. The image is erect or upright. Also, the image is magnified or enlarged.